Hey guys, welcome. Simon Karim with Real Broker. Thank you for joining my channel, Simon Can Sell. But let's get right to it. How do we get our listing to be #1 on Zillow? Here's our listing right here, 365,000. And let's take a look at what we had our competition to be at. We're in Palm Beach County, so I'm going to type in Palm Beach County and see what type of competition that we had to compete with. Right now, currently in Palm Beach County, is 15,835 homes. But as you can see, our home is #1 on the left-hand side. If we take a look at exactly where that listing is, which is in West Palm Beach, keep an eye on your screen on the right-hand side, and we'll see how the videos and the listings are changing. As we zoom in, all the other homes are moving around. Different homes come, but ours is #1. Why is it #1? If I was to click on this, what Zillow really cares about, guys, is two things: request a tour and contact the agent. So that's how they make their money. So by contacting the agent or one of these buttons right here, you fill this information out, and once you've done that, Zillow is able to sell that to a buyer's agent as a lead. We were able to drive 9,279 views in 13 days and 773 saves. Through smart marketing, we were able to save the seller a lot of time of not carrying costs like insurances and mortgages and so forth. If you're interested in how we do this, how our smart marketing works, take a look at the next video. We had an open house for 2 days, from 12 to 3 on Saturday, 12 to 3 on Sunday. We had 150 people that came and signed in. And out of those 150 people, we had over 12 offers in one weekend. We listed the house at 365. We ended up getting so many different offers that the highest offer was at 460. In 24 hours, we had this house in contract. Normally, it takes us about anywhere from 7 days to 34 days. But by doing that, we're saving the seller a lot of time, a lot of headaches of not carrying all those carrying costs. Take a look at the next video. Give us a call. Like the channel. Thanks for subscribing. And I'm looking forward to sitting down with you and seeing if this will be the right plan for you or not. Give me a call. Simon Can Sell. Simon with Real Broker. Thank you so much.